Or want to unlock the incredible power of a tiny seed? These unassuming pumpkin seeds are packed with nutrients that can transform your health in amazing ways. Keep watching to discover the life-changing secrets hidden inside these little green gems. You might just toss them in the trash after carving your Halloween pumpkin, but those seeds you're discarding are actually a superfood loaded with vitamins, minerals, and other vital nutrients, from boosting heart health and improving sleep to increasing male fertility and more. Pumpkin seeds possess some mind-blowing benefits that can truly enrich your life. In this video, I'll be unveiling the top 3 research-backed secrets that make pumpkin seeds a powerhouse for your well-being. You'll be stunned at how something so small can pack such an incredible nutritional punch. But don't just take my word for it. Let's explore the scientific evidence behind the magic of pumpkin seeds together. Get ready to have your mind blown. Keep watching to the end to find out how you can incorporate these nutrient powerhouses into your daily routine. Then give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know where you are watching from. Let's get a little deeper into the nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds may seem unassuming, but they pack a seriously powerful punch. First off, they're an excellent source of plant-based protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. Would you believe that a single serving can provide around 10 grams of protein? That's right. But that's just the beginning. Pumpkin seeds are also loaded with healthy unsaturated fats like oleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid, which are incredibly beneficial for your heart. On top of these heart-friendly fats, they're rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. But the nutritional benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are laden with essential minerals like zinc, magnesium, iron and copper, which play a crucial role in a variety of bodily functions. Just to give you an idea, a mere quarter cup of pumpkin seeds can fulfill over 40% of your daily zinc needs. With such an impressive nutrient profile, it's clear to see why pumpkin seeds are hailed as a superfood. They're a nutritional knockout in a small, convenient package. But how do all these nutrients translate into tangible health benefits? Stick around as I uncover the secrets of these nutritional powerhouses in the next scene. Let's unveil the first major health secret of pumpkin seeds: their role as a heart health guardian. The healthy fats found in pumpkin seeds, such as polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids, are known to improve cholesterol levels. Research suggests that regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can decrease LDL or bad cholesterol and increase HDL or good cholesterol levels in your bloodstream. But wait, there's more. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a pivotal role in regulating blood pressure. By fulfilling more than a third of your daily magnesium requirement with just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, you can help relax your blood vessels, curb hypertension, and reduce the strain on your heart. And that's not all. The antioxidants present in pumpkin seeds, particularly vitamin E, help prevent oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. This significantly reduces plaque buildup, ensuring a healthy cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of heart disease. In a nutshell, the unique combination of nutrients in pumpkin seeds acts as a powerful defense system for your heart. They work together to improve cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and combat inflammation. Who would have thought that this humble seed could be such a mighty heart health superhero? Stay tuned as I uncover more health secrets of pumpkin seeds. Are you ready for the next big reveal? The second secret of pumpkin seeds is their role as a male fertility booster. That's right, gentlemen, this humble seed could be your secret weapon in improving reproductive health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants which protect your cells from harmful free radicals. But the real star of the show here is zinc. Zinc is a key mineral that plays a crucial role in the production of sperm and testosterone. A handful of pumpkin seeds can provide a significant portion of the daily recommended intake of this essential nutrient. Research has shown that regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can increase sperm quality and count. How does it work? Zinc deficiency is linked to low testosterone levels and poor sperm quality. By providing a natural, bioavailable source of zinc, pumpkin seeds help maintain optimal testosterone levels and sperm health. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to enhance blood flow to the sexual organs, thereby boosting sexual function. So not only can pumpkin seeds help ensure a healthy heart, but they can also boost your fertility. What an amazing little seed. Stay tuned as I dive deeper into the world of pumpkin seeds. Did you ever think that a seed could be your key to a good night's sleep? Well, prepare to be amazed. Our third secret of the pumpkin seeds is their powerful role as a sleep regulator. Yes, you heard it right. If you've been battling with insomnia, restless nights, or simply irregular sleep patterns, pumpkin seeds are your natural ally. These tiny seeds are packed with a unique combination of nutrients that can help optimize your sleep cycle and promote a better, more restful sleep. But how do these little wonders work their sleep magic? Let's unveil the secret. Pumpkin seeds are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and then into melatonin, the sleep hormone. Studies have shown that consuming just 1 gram of tryptophan daily can significantly improve sleep quality. And guess what? Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of this sleep-enhancing amino acid. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with magnesium and zinc, 2 essential minerals that play a crucial role in regulating sleep. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for helping you relax and prepare for sleep. On the other hand, zinc aids in the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. So, if you're in search of a natural solution for a good night's sleep, consider adding pumpkin seeds to your diet. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or simply snack on them before bed. And voila! You're on your way to a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Keep watching as I reveal more secrets of pumpkin seeds. Ready for more? Of course you are. After exploring the sleep-regulating magic of pumpkin seeds, it's time to dive into other remarkable health benefits that these tiny powerhouses offer. Let's start with something we all seek: a smooth and healthy digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, pumpkin seeds act as a natural laxative, aiding in relieving constipation and ensuring a smooth digestive process. But that's not where the story ends. Pumpkin seeds also play a crucial role in blood sugar control. Yes, you heard it right. Multiple studies have pointed out that these seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an ideal snack for those grappling with diabetes or prediabetes. Incredibly, the benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are also known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body, which plays a significant role in various chronic diseases. So with their impressive nutrient profile, pumpkin seeds are indeed a superfood that can benefit every aspect of your health. So don't hold back. Add these mighty seeds to your diet and experience their amazing rewards firsthand. But wait, I am not done yet. I will reveal more secrets of pumpkin seeds in the next scene. Let's unravel the secret that we've been teasing you with: the sleep-regulating powers of pumpkin seeds. How exactly do they do it? The key is in their high content of an essential amino acid known as tryptophan. Tryptophan is a vital player in enhancing your sleep quality by boosting the production of 2 major hormones, serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin, often dubbed as the happy hormone, does more than just uplift your mood. It plays a significant role in your sleep-wake cycle. A balanced level of serotonin helps you feel more relaxed and primes you for a restful sleep. On the other hand, melatonin is the hormone that governs your body's internal clock and sleep-wake patterns. By amplifying melatonin production, pumpkin seeds help readjust your internal clock, leading to improved and more restorative sleep. Thus, with their abundant tryptophan reserves, pumpkin seeds essentially supply the necessary ingredients for better sleep regulation. Just a handful of these mighty seeds can equip your body with the tools it needs to wind down at night and wake up feeling rejuvenated. So if you've been wrestling with insomnia, restlessness, or irregular sleep patterns, incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet could be the breakthrough you need. They offer a natural, tasty way to enhance your sleep and overall well-being. But hold on, I'm not quite done yet. The next scene holds more exciting secrets of pumpkin seeds, so keep watching. Moving on from the science of sleep regulation, let's look at the practical side of things. You've learnt about the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds, but how can you incorporate these nutrient powerhouses into your daily routine? The good news is, these versatile seeds can be seamlessly added to all kinds of meals and snacks. You can start by simply snacking on them raw. Visit your local grocery store and look for unsalted, raw pumpkin seeds in the bulk bins or snack aisles. Enjoy them straight out of the bag, or if you crave an extra crunch, lightly toast them. Pumpkin seeds can also enhance your breakfast routine. Mix a handful into your morning oatmeal, blend into your smoothie for a nutrient boost, or sprinkle on top of your yogurt parfait for a delightful crunch. But don't just stop at breakfast. Pumpkin seeds can add a unique texture and nutty flavor to salads, grain bowls, and even hearty stews. Try using them as a crunchy topping for your avocado toast or baked sweet potatoes. Remember, the key is to choose raw and unsalted seeds to avoid unnecessary additives or sodium. With a dash of creativity, you can effortlessly incorporate these mighty seeds into your meals, reaping their amazing benefits every single day. But there's more to it. The next scene holds another exciting secret of pumpkin seeds, so don't go anywhere. Throughout this video together, we've uncovered some truly amazing secrets about the mighty pumpkin seed. From boosting male fertility and regulating sleep cycles, to improving digestion and reducing inflammation, these little seeds pack a serious nutritional punch. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Who knows, you might inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's essential to note that the information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions. Thus, before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, use this information as a starting point and work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Let's quickly recap the main benefits we covered. First, we learned that the zinc in pumpkin seeds can increase sperm quality, motility, and even testosterone levels, making them a powerful fertility booster for men. Then, we revealed that the tryptophan, magnesium, and zinc in pumpkin seeds work together to promote better sleep by increasing serotonin and melatonin production. Say goodbye to restless nights, and let's not forget their other impressive perks like aiding digestion, controlling blood sugar, and fighting inflammation throughout the body. With such a versatile nutrient profile, it's no wonder pumpkin seeds have been revered for their health benefits for centuries. So what are you waiting for? Give these superfood seeds a try and experience their amazing rewards for yourself. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell too and select all so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos packed with more life-changing health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy, my friends.